Hey everybody, thank you for tuning back into the Wild Energy YouTube channel. We've got a new experiment going on now. As you can see, it's a hydroponic setup. And this time around, we're testing more to find out the importance of the nutrients and air bubbles in a hydroponic system. And we're just doing a couple of fun things to see how they're affected. Right now it's April in Madison, Wisconsin, where we're at, and it's quite cold outside, but it's just fun to start growing some stuff, mid-spring now. So what we've got going on right now is we've got a simple hydroponic system here. What I really wanted to do was make something really simple that people could duplicate at home, something that's got easy maintenance. I've seen a couple videos of people doing this on YouTube, but I just wanted to try it out myself. And so we've got the hydroponic system here. We've got the 4 milk jugs here. What we're testing on this side is we're actually growing wildflowers. So I'm really excited to see how they end up turning out. And in this experiment, we do have a control. So we've got our control here. It's just tap water. And then we've got the nutrient solution here with no air bubbles, and then we've got the nutrient solution with air bubbles. As you can see, the air bubbles there. And then we've also got another milk jug with just air bubbles, no nutrient solution. And these are just wildflowers. But I had a pack of wildflower seeds in my house, and I just put a couple of seeds in each pod. These are Grodan pod, 2x2 inch pods, which fit pretty easily in the milk jug, as you can see. So you can see the roots starting to come out here. These have been in these milk jugs for about a week now, so I wanted to start them off, see how they do, and it looks like they're responding actually pretty well. So I haven't really seen much stress at all from the two plants that don't have any nutrients. Really nor either the difference between plants with the air bubbles or without. So we're gonna have to wait a couple weeks and see how they turn out. So I'll be doing an update probably every 2 weeks. Some of the equipment that we're using this air bubbler here. I got all this stuff from one of the pet stores. The air stones there. The tubing, and then I've got the valve piece that I'm using here, as you can see. So it's splitting the air 3 different ways right now. And over here, I was going to do the experiment with cilantro over here. I don't know if you're familiar with growing cilantro. I mean, it's really not that easy. I tried growing it on my porch last year, and it didn't really grow too well. So I'm going to see how it does hydroponically. As you can see, we've got a pretty good first leaf there. And in terms of nutrient solutions, we're using the Florinova. We've used this before, and we've had some success. So we're going to do another trial with it. Over here, I've got basil seeds starting to come up. I just planted these a couple days ago. As you can see, the babies are coming up now. So we'll have wildflowers over here, and then basil over here once it gets growing a little bit stronger. And we'll see how it goes. And right now, the only thing that we're going to measure is the number of leaves, and then also the number of flowers that grow on the wildflowers. For basil, I think I'll probably do the same thing, just the number of leaves. And it's kind of hard to measure height and width of plants. That they grow everywhere, so it's kind of hard to compare. So we've got this going now. I'll do another video probably in about a week from now. I'll show you guys the update, and hope you tune back in, and we'll see how it goes. Thanks.